inserting the orange. First of all, we need to pass this through the cover first. This way. And then from the inside we have this. Use this tool for it twists the jaws inside this bracket. It's a bit tricky. Okay. Orange to number 2. So you gently press this first with a screwdriver, just to go in a little bit. Just to engage. There we go. Then you use this tool to kind of push it through. I'm going to plug in. Okay, so I'm going to plug in a cable on this end, the socket end, so that I can also plug in the cable on here. So now it's going to count 1, 2, 5, 6, 2, 6, 7. Okay, so we have connected our tester to the socket like so with a piece of cable, and you can see that it's counting every single cable. So that's a good sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cables in each Ethernet cable. So yeah, I think we've done a good job, and we're now going to test the speed as well on a device. Okay, so it's still counting all the numbers. We are tightening the socket in place. All right, we're all done.